If you've added a word to Grammarly's personal dictionary and now want to remove it, this video is going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. Whether you added a typo by accident, no longer want Grammarly to ignore a specific word, or you're just cleaning up your account settings, this quick tutorial will help you fix it fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Grammarly.com. Once the website loads, sign into your Grammarly account using the email and password connected to your profile. If you're already signed in, Grammarly may take you directly to your dashboard, which makes the process even faster. Now that you're logged in, look for your account settings. Depending on your screen size and the version of Grammarly you're using, this may appear as a profile icon, a menu button, or a settings option in the left-hand panel. Click on Account to open your account settings area. Inside the account settings, you'll want to find the writing section. Grammarly organizes a lot of its language and personalization options here, so this is the place where your dictionary settings are stored. Click on Writing to continue. Once you're in the writing settings, look for an option called Your Dictionary. This is where Grammarly keeps the custom words you've previously added. These might be names, brand terms, technical words, or anything else you told Grammarly not to flag. Click on Your Dictionary, and you should see a list of all the words currently saved in your personal dictionary. Take a moment to scroll through and find the exact word you want to remove. If your list is long, read carefully so you don't delete the wrong entry. When you find the word, look next to it for a delete icon, remove button, or a small trash can option. Grammarly may show a 3-dot menu or a simple remove control depending on the interface version. Click that delete or remove option next to the word you want gone. Grammarly may ask you to confirm the action before removing it. If you see a confirmation message, go ahead and approve it. This step is important because once the word is deleted, Grammarly will start checking it again in your writing. And that's really all there is to it. The word is now removed from your Grammarly personal dictionary, which means Grammarly can once again flag it as a spelling or writing issue if needed. This is super useful if you accidentally added the wrong word, if a term is no longer relevant, or if you want Grammarly to be more strict with your editing. If you want to remove more words, just repeat the same process. Go back to your dictionary, find the next word and delete it one by one until your list is cleaned up the way you want it. A quick tip before you go. If you use Grammarly for school, business, or content creation, it's a good idea to review your personal dictionary every so often. That way, you can keep it accurate and make sure Grammarly is catching the mistakes you actually want it to catch. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.